Good evening. In Russia, we have not the overhead lighting for the film industry, you know. So we are here making the first ever small turbine on a tabletop machine, CNC, of course. It is not the small handheld Bolshaya you have in the small other countries, the Western world. But yes, we have not developed our cooling system yet. So here we have the WD-40. You are aware of this? So here we go. We will now cool the turbine. Yes, you must bathe it in it fully. Good evening. Yes.